In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a cabin air filter on a Grand Cherokee, located behind the glove box. So open your glove box. So once the lid is down, you can take your string right here and push this little plastic clip in, like that. Now you're going to let that go. So I like to use a plastic trim tool, and I just pry it right in there. So hold the glove box, and then you're going to get this side popped undone. Then you can just put it on the hinges and put it down. So now this is the cover. So you're going to take this tab and pull it like this to the right side, and then just pull this off the hinge. Place that down. You can see this is pretty dirty. It's got a lot of pine needles in here. I'm going to pull this out. Try to pull it out slowly. The new one says right there, airflow down. So we're going to place that right in. Seat it all the way back. You've got the hooks on the far right. Make sure you hook those in. See that clip? Click right in. Perfect. Now we can put our glove box back. So line up that lower hinge. Grab that string, that was that lock string on the side, pull on that. Now it's on the lock. Put that in that little slot. And away you go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.